How to create Garena account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. The first thing first, open up the browser that you have on your device. Here I'm going for Google Chrome. Then on the search bar, just search for accounts.garena.com. Now just search for it and you'll be landed into the home page of Garena account. Now it will look something like this. Now if you already have an account, you can just log in by using your username and password, but if you are new, you can just tap on register a new account. So I'm going to tap on register a new account. You need to provide your username that you want to be seen as, then use and add your password, then your email, your country code, and your mobile number if possible. Now we have to wait for a verification code that will be sent to our Gmail ID that we have mentioned and associated over here. Now just wait for the verification code, and after the verification code is provided to us, just copy the verification code and paste it in the verification post over here, and then you'll be signed up and your account will be created. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.